This is Apple's 2018 version of the MacBook Pro, and it packs a punch. So we have with us the 15-inch version of the MacBook Pro. It packs a punch because this can have up to 6 cores running simultaneously and can go up to Intel i9, which means this is ideal for the professionals. There is a lot of things that are happening here, from keeping the thermal output low to giving you great battery life. This device is ideal for those who like video editing because it comes with the touch bar that lets you do a lot of tweaks and tricks which really fasten up the process. And even with 4K video editing, this device can handle multiple streams at the same time. The other interesting thing about the MacBook Pro is something called the T2 chip, which Apple has added to do a lot of the small stuff without bothering the main processor. So your notifications, the other small things that happen on the device will happen with the T2 chip, and that's pretty good. Even Siri is working on this. The keyboard of the device is your main interaction point with any laptop. With the earlier MacBook Pro, a lot of people were not really happy with the butterfly keys. This time, Apple has tweaked it a bit and it's gone completely silent, which is something we really like. The Retina display on this device is something people who are editing video or working on photographs will really love. But there is something extra, and that is called the TrueTone effect. So by default, the MacBook Pro comes with TrueTone. You can switch it off if you like something more natural. The TrueTone is great for people who are working on the computer for a long time, especially when you're reading stuff. And I really advise you to try it out. The MacBook Pro is something professionals will love. A lot of people who work in video and photographs will be using it, but the problem is you can't use an SD card or a USB drive on this one because you have only USB-C and Thunderbolt here. The other issue I found was that the 15-inch version is a bit heavy at almost 2 kg, but maybe this is not something that you will carry around all the time. The price is also a bit heavy. It starts at 1,49,900 and goes up depending on how you want the configuration to be.